Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My base is already done and I'm leaving my nose and contour to bake. I'm beginning by taking my Beige Cosmetics contour palette, and with the lightest shade, I'm just going to apply that all over my lid so that I can have a nice blend for when I use my colors. Then I'm taking my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and who remembers when this was everyone's #1 go-to palette? Like seriously. Okay, so anyways, I'm taking the shade Tease onto the fluffy brush it comes with, and it's a really nice like taupe cool tone shade, and I'm applying that, focusing it on the outer parts and then just dragging it into the crease and upwards. Then taking my Carly Bible palette, I'm going to take the darker pink highlight and apply that to my brow bone and inner corner. I don't want the highlight on my eyes to overpower the silver I'll be using, so that's why I chose this color. Next, I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and I'm applying that to the center part of my eyelid. And here I'm taking my Essence Eye Pencil in Black Fever and applying that to the inner and outer parts of my eyelid, kind of bringing it into that white to kind of blend it. On top of that black, I wanted a matte black shade, so I took the black that comes with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and just applying that over that liner that I had just applied and dragging it inwards into the white so it can blend into a gray, and also upwards into that transition taupe color. I apply this by first tapping on the shade and then blending it. After that, I took a fluffier, bigger brush and I used that with no product just to blend out the edges so that there's no harsh edges and making sure the blend is nice and pretty. And then I took a concealer brush and with my NYX Single Shadow in Whipped Cream, applying that right on top of the white and also blending it into that black. I want to have a nice gradient, so take your time with this, go back and forth, and you'll achieve that nice blended gradient look. Right on top of the white, I'm going to be applying the L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in Silver Sky. It is so pretty and it applies just perfectly with a brush, which is what I did. I just applied it with a brush. I'm just doing tapping motions to get that product on. But if you do want that silver to pop a little bit more, you are more than welcome to use either a glitter primer or spray your brush with a setting spray. I also went ahead and used my NYX Liquid Crystal Liner in Crystal Silver to add right in the middle of that silver. You can't really tell the difference on camera, but in person I could definitely tell the difference that this crystal liner made. Then I just fixed my eyebrows and we are also done baking. Next, I went in to highlight my cheekbones and Cupid's bow with the same highlight I used on my eyes. Then I went ahead and I added my winged eyeliner and added a light coat of mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And then I applied falsies. I am using I Am Lashes, and these ones are in Slay. I insist you have to go check them out because they are so fluffy, they are so beautiful. Really, they really are. And then finally is lips. I decided to go with a nude lip first. I'm using my Maybelline matte in Beige Babe, and on top of that, my BareMinerals matte liquid lip gloss in Hemp. And a nude lip is always good if you don't want to overpower the eyes. And then I tried a red lip, of course, to make it more festive. I'm using my Maybelline Matte in Rich Ruby, and on top of that, my NYX matte lip cream in Monte Carlo. That was all for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. Give it a big like, comment down below. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you guys soon.